If anybody out there, being you mama, being you papa, being you brother, being you sister, being you auntie, being you uncle, you dey hide these people wey do this oku, wey do this evil, wey cause pain for this family, you dey hide them. You are the problem of that Edo state. You be evil. You still be partner in crime. You be crime member. You be the same with that person, with that your brother or your relative or your friend where you dey hide, where you don't want me face music, where you don't want me face justice. You are just as evil as the person. Hi guys, you welcome back to my universe. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May He open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. If it's your first time of seeing my video or listening to my audio, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please do me a favor before you leave. Kindly subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. So my gallant wonderful subscribers that keep coming back to check me out to see what I got to offer, thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for checking me out. May the good Lord check you out. May the good spirit never be far from you. May God you're going out and you're coming in your household. Thanks for your correction, your maturity, your positive energy keeps me going. Thank you very much. With that being said, I want to talk about the hot topic where they social media right now, where they go viral, where everybody talk about. I take come upon myself. I say if I not talk about waiting again, my brothers and sisters who I hate. I hope you will get some for my voice. Say I really did heartbroken. I feel pain inside my soul for the news where they go viral right now. And one of our lovely, wonderful sister, Vera Wala Omozuwa, may her soul rest in peace, with some good lumps, with some heartless people send go early grave. The thing really they touching, the thing really they painful, and my heart goes to the family of this lovely, beautiful girl. She just start life, and it's so fortunate. Say some people will not create life decide to take her life from her like that after they don't abuse her. The most painful part now, say the people who will do these things will be me and your generation. It's too unfortunate. Say the majority of our generation, they are so heartless. They not get human feelings. They feel say man, nothing they happen. They feel say women are nothing. I will beg you, my wonderful brothers and sisters, anywhere when I foresee this my lovely sister post, Mona not rest in peace, because she never need to rest in peace. She need to fight the people who take her life from her. She need to disturb those people who take her life from her. She need to push those people. Make that they restless, make that they worried, make that they frustrated for the police to arrest them, for them to bring them to justice. Before all of us go start to the right rest in peace. She never even supposed rest in peace at all, because she's too young to just go like that. If you want to write for any of our posts where you see my wonderful brothers and sisters, just write hashtag justice for Uwa. Just write justice for Vera Uwala. That one will do for the now. Like seriously. According to the report when I see, they say she go church, Redeemed Christian Church. She go read as usual as the poor get they do and she just new enter school Uniben. She never even do a matric. So you can imagine the joy where they get belle. You can imagine the future where they are ahead of that girl before. So according to the news, they say she go read for church. The heartless people go meet her for church, do what they want to do with her. They can't use fire extinguisher to bust her head. This thing that they go on for too long for our states, for my place of birth, Edo State, Benin City. Ikpobahi, now they say for happen for city, broad daylight. Now they say this thing happen. If the truth must be told, with all due respect to each and every one of you, this thing that they go on for decades, even since when I small. Now I start to hear say some guys they abuse women. Sometimes close to our house, you'll see say men that they abuse girl for there. You'll see say that they abuse babe for there. Unto say they feel say men they don't chop winch where another person not chop. Unto say they feel say men the woman not fit talk. They go even they blackmail the girls. They tell them say if I hear say you talk and comment, you are in deep shit. Nobody don't ever persecute them put. nobody don't ever tell them say what one they do so not good. Even self you go police station for Edo State there, for Benin City there, go report those kind of cases. Police go they ask you whether you not enjoy. That is how to tell you how they belittle women from where I from come. You go report your husband, your boyfriend to the family people. Say, see, oh, my husband, my guy force himself on me. They'll say me you shut up, person will put money for your head. I ain't want to force you. They'll say me you not talk and come out. They will even force you to go beg that your husband for even saying it out. So they don't respect women's opinion. Now I make this thing they continue well for Nigeria. But right now they talk about my state. This thing is really making me emotional. It's really making me want to shed tears because when you hear and listen to people's story, it's heartbroken, it's painful. When you lost young person, where you get something to contribute to the society, where you get bright future ahead of them. If you check all these boys just now, if they catch them, they bring them to book, you will see, say, man, these boys belong to one group or the other, they belong to one color or the other. Now that thing now they move them, now that thing now they make them they feel, say, man, they can harm their own sister. It's so painful the way our brothers, the way our fathers, the way our uncles not to respect or safeguard their own mother. Anybody where woman give birth to, anybody where woman don't born, suppose they respect any woman for the sake of your mother. Anybody where don't get sister, suppose they respect woman for the sake of your sister. Any man where don't get niece, suppose they respect and protect any other woman where you see for outside. Like seriously, I don't feel imagine for a second how some people can just go to the house of God to do this kind of taboo, to do that kind of thing for the land of Edo State is the highest crime, the highest, oh God, the highest abomination you can ever commit for any land. That one are the highest, I'm telling you honestly. Because now woman I born you. Because now woman I they give you food chop, which is food where you they eat. If not be female, they multiply or they bring out fruits, you know will see food eat. Couple with the fact say this planet where you they live so now woman, now mother, now female. It's so disgusting and heartbreaking. And my brothers say they get mind to do this kind of thing to women. Maybe the woman will still they beg them, the woman will they cry, the woman will they drag. They will just kill their human side and ignore all the tears, ignore all the pain, ignore all the pleading. Oh God, this kind of people, in my opinion, if you ask me, they need to sacrifice them to Amadioha. They need to banish them for the evil forest. If they arrest these people, I beg all the law enforcement, please, I beg you in the name of all the mothers in this world, Mona not kill these people. Mona put them for life imprisonment. Because if una kill them, una do them good. If una kill them, they're not gonna know the pain where they cause for that family. They're not gonna know the pain where they cause that mama we born that pikin. They're not gonna know the pain where they cause the boyfriend of that girl. They're not gonna know the pain where they cause the siblings. Honestly, wanna put them for life imprisonment with hard labor. Like seriously. So let me go back to what I did talk before, where I say if you check them where they will belong to one color or the other. If they catch them and it really come out say they belong to any group of confraternity, may they arrest anybody at all we put them for that matter. May they arrest anybody we initiate them, because they are the problem we are having in Edo State. And don't be surprised when they confess, when they ask them, they go say they be 6 months, 1 year, 2 years for inside the matter. So how can you be initiating or putting somebody without conscience for waiting or supposed to protect the land? How now go they do that kind of thing? Some of my brothers for Edo State, blood way they for their hand, it not they for Fulani Esme hand like that. Those people will put them for anything where they day. If they did, with all due respect to each and every one of you, I'm so angry, like I can't explain the way I'm really angry right now. If they catch these people, may they not cover them. The person who put them for any game should be brought to book, should be persecuted, because you know if you born pikin, may you live and make it wayward for outside. A good mother, a good father, anybody where they put somebody for anything at all, una want put them, una supposed give them better orientation. Una supposed tell them what to do and what not to do. You know if you just initiate somebody and let them go wayward for streets, it just be like pikin will not get home training. What do you expect to make you do? It be like pikin wey not go school. What do you expect to make he do? When he don't chop what he not supposed to chop, when he feel say power where he get don't too big, he don't be president, he can do anything to anybody, he can take somebody's life like that. Those people are responsible for anything that is going on in my land. Those people wey initiate them are the evil in the land that that has to be banished to the evil forest. Honestly speaking, please pardon my anger, because if una fit just enter the family of those people right now, if una fit just enter the mind of the mother wey give birth to this beautiful girl right now, una go vex pass the way I take the verse. To carry pikin for 9 months not easy. To carry pikin for ordinary 3 months, e not easy, my brothers and sisters. My brothers, I beg una, if una want know as this thing be, if una want know the pain wey woman they go through before e bring pikin come life, mona dey follow una woman enter labor room, mona dey follow una woman go hospital, mona see how it dey play. Some men no fit just take, and when some women they push to born, they go collapse. Then una will get the guts to take that child away from that woman. That is inhuman. That is wickedness. That is, oh my living God, why are we this heartless, my generation? Why are we this wicked, my generation? Devil not there anywhere. Now me and you be the devil, because when you look what thing we do to ourselves, devil not go do am. Like seriously, I repeat, if these people there for any confraternity, the people will put them, with all due respect to each and every one of you out there, they should be brought to justice. I don't care to know if the person is my brother, if the person is my relative, if the person and my community person. I don't really care to know. For the fact that when I decide to the cost parents, to the cost mother pain, you people have to pay for it, because you cannot give birth to a child and just leave he or she outside to be wayward. We have to say enough is enough. We have to protest against all this injustice for Edo State. If you not speak out, if me not speak out, tomorrow it might be our turn. Right now as I talk to you, so somebody somewhere for Edo State just they go through the same thing. This is not fair anymore. We have to protect our women. We have to protect the less privileged. We have to protect those who will not get power or will not get voice, and our parents and our relatives. When una daughter they tell us, they see what their husband do to them, mona they respect their opinion, mona they respect what they tell una, because if una not they listen to their pain, una they give those men opportunity go ahead to abuse any woman where they come across tomorrow. If woman fit just come and talk, say, man, my husband do this kind of thing to me, my guy do this kind of thing to me, you people should know that this thing really pain this woman. You people should know that this thing really touched this woman. You people should try and understand where she's coming from. Now because we know they care, now because we know they show concern, now because we they feel say, oh woman, shut up, you not get right, you not fourth class citizen, you not nothing for the society. Now make all these things they happen. We know how many women don't kick bucket because of this thing. This is heartbroken, like seriously. Oh jeez, man, this thing una not go need, una not go want know as it they do me. Thank God say our governor does speak out for this thing, that they should bring these people to justice. Then that takes me to the church. The general overseer, Daddy Adeboye, he talk about him for a Twitter feed. When I see what he write about him, with all due respect to Daddy Adeboye, I never expected what he wrote. With respect to all the members, with respect to all the followers, with respect to the body of a Redeemed Christian Church, what did Daddy Adeboye write for Instagram? He said, all I can do at this time is to pray for the family of Omozuwa and do everything possible, working with the relevant authority to bring the perpetrators to book. I am member of my family condemn this act strongly and urge everyone to stay calm as we are already looking into this. Like seriously, they are time for actions, they are time for prayers. Like seriously, this one a human being, this one a somebody daughter. I not see where for address them as a member of the church. You not address them like that. Say na prayer now they want now. Not be the prayer, not be fair day since then. Not be the prayer fed this since then. And to my brothers and sisters, where they leave comment, they say yes, so God will take care, God will do this, God will do that. See, my brothers and sisters, you know, when we know they use something to take raw body, e no good, my brothers. When we know they use something to take raw body, e no good, my sister. And e no they lead us anywhere. Like seriously, most stop to they take this religion thing into politics things. Make we stop them, I beg una in the name of God. Why they talk like this? With respect to each and every one of you, make una not take a person. I'm gonna reason and say this beautiful girl where just they start life so fit be una sister, fit be una relative, fit be una niece. Mona take on like that. Mona reason and say if not una niece, say Daddy Adeboye write this kind of comment for social media how una go feel. Now so that the reason matter before you will provoke for anything where person they talk. I personally believe say if that they are Adeboye really want bring these people to justice, he go offer 1 million. Say anybody will see these people, he go give them 1 million. 1 million not be anything to that they are Adeboye. Like seriously, there are sometimes you just need to pray. There are sometimes you really need action. Like seriously, you get one association, civil security organization, they offer 500,000 reward for anybody where go fit identify who do this thing. Now so that they do something when you really want justice for somebody. This girl was a dedicated member in the church. This girl was somebody important in the church. Sending your prayers and thoughts to them is good, but show something, show some concern, because now this prayer now would they pray since then where this kind of thing can still happen. With all due respect to the body of Redeemed Christian Ministry, why I talk just now say make we stop to the play politics with religion. Now say if to say this thing na native daughter or herbalist family for happen, you will see many of my Christians they write for there say why the native daughter, why their gods not help them, why their gods not do this, why their gods not do that. But una they refuse right now to still point out that fact, say why the God of that church not protect this girl for the house of God. Please my brothers and sisters, more speak out when it really necessary. More not they take side. This one a Christian, this one a pagan, this one a Buddhist, this one a Muslim. It not really matter. Make we condemn what's bad, because now me and you now they speak for that religion. Now me and you now they speak for anything what we believe on. Once again, my heart truly and really goes to that family. I pray the good spirit grant that family the heart, the courage to bear this great loss. This one a great loss, like seriously. Hi God, oh, all the money where they don't spend for school, all the Jesus, oh my living God. I just pray the good angels, the good spirits console them to make them quick heal. And I pray this our beautiful sister not rest in peace right now. After the justice, she can rest in peace. May she carry koboko, may she carry anything where she get for the spirit world. May she take fight these people where do this kind of thing to her, because she not really deserve her. Honestly speaking, she not deserve her. For us of God, see my brothers, una shit for church, una use Bible take clean una nyash, then una constantly use the Bible take pack the shit. The good spirit will judge you people, even though they put una for hard labor imprisonment. The good spirit will continue to the torment una. Una go dey continue to the torment una. If una dey work, he go dey torment una. If una dey eat, he go dey torment una. Anything una dey do, she go dey torment una. If una dey look for death, death go far from una. If una dey beg death to take una life, death will never answer you. Death go run 50-50 away from una. Una go dey rot for where una dey. And this evil wey una do for the land no go come before una family. Now una do one, now una and una alone now go pay for this thing. And this one goes to my wonderful brothers and sisters where they pass curses to the family of these people who do this thing. The family not send them. The family not did them when they do the evil. Make we learn how to lift children out of our mede. More try to lift children out of saga where other people do. Don't be surprised. All this evil seed now the curse where another people fair place for their family. Now they worry them so. Before I forget this one, as police they find these people where do this evil so, where commit this atrocity so, where commit this abomination so. If anybody out there, being you mama, being you papa, being you brother, being you sister, being you auntie, being you uncle, you they hide these people where do this oku, where do this evil, where cause pain for this family, you they hide them. You are the problem of that Edo state. You be evil. You still be partner in crime. You be crime member. You be the same with that person, without your brother or your relative or your friend where you they hide, where you don't want me face music, where you don't want me face justice. You are just as evil as the person. Now people like you now don't want change for that Edo state, because you know if you they hide your own, they hide your friend or anything you can't choose to call them. May you say you they solidarize with another family. May you say you they feel for another family. Bring those people out for any place where they dey. Go tell police, say these people dey your house, so that may the good spirit of the land, may the good Lord for bless you. If you they hide them, you are just as evil, as wicked as that person, or like that person where you they hide. Like seriously. Please don't forget to continue the hashtag justice for Vera Uwaila. Don't forget to be leaving that comments on any platform wanna for see this a picture wey anybody take talk about am, continue to the write am #justice for Vera Uwa. She deserve am, and she deserve am badly, like seriously. Then I come dey wonder, before all these people come do this thing to this girl, no single soul enter church. The time wey I dey for Bongo that year, church no dey empty. The time wey I dey for Bongo that year, one person not just dey for church, na library. The thing not clear to me. I no understand whether na arranging things. I really don't know. Like seriously, if you ask me, I no understand them. The time when I dey Bongo or people wey dey Bongo, when I don't ever see say church dey empty like that. Not to talk of a whole redeemed Christian church go just empty, nobody just dey. E get the thing be sha. Be. Thank you very much for sharing this your wonderful time with me. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. This Sophie Universe, the massive truth. I hope you understand. I hope you pardon my anger. I hope you see where I'm coming from. I hope you understand from where this my anger is coming from. I hope you not take this my audio personal. I hope you not take any of my video personal. Now the thing they pay me, my brothers and sisters. This girl not deserve to lose her life like this. No matter anything what she do to these boys, she not deserve this thing what they do to her. If by any chance any of my video offend you, if this audio offend you, please find a place in your heart to forgive me. For love's sake, for peace sake, I just look for a way to be the change who I truly want. I just look for a way to represent the change what I want around me, what I want for my community, what I want for my great country, Nigeria. Please, my wonderful brother, please, my beautiful sister, be the change you want. Let me be the change I want. You are the change we are looking for. I am the change we are looking for. Together, when we change, we will make Edo the greatest of all. We will make Nigeria the greatest among many. Thank you once again for sharing this your precious time with me. And I pray the good spirit guide each and every one of us. Protect our going out and our coming in. Give us reason to love, tolerate and forgive each other. Give us more reason to do away with hate, revenge and every other bad stuff. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. Don't forget to share my videos. Don't forget to patronize me. And don't also forget to give my video thumbs up. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. Till the next video. One love.